At the very moment fresh baby corn arrives at the factory, an impressive journey of precision and quality control officially begins. Batch by batch, the corn moves into the pre-processing stage, where skilled hands bring every detail to life. Clean, decisive cuts, carefully crafted to create perfectly uniform pieces, meeting strict standards for size and diameter. Every step is closely monitored, ensuring not even the smallest deviation is allowed. Then, the corn enters a modern washing system. Streams of water flow in perfect rhythm, gentle at first glance, yet powerful enough to completely remove dirt, microorganisms, and every trace of impurity, restoring the natural purity of each piece. What makes the difference lies in the precision throughout the entire process. Every impact is perfectly controlled, preserving the corn's natural structure. Each piece remains fresh, with a smooth, glossy surface and vibrant natural color, just like it was freshly harvested from the field. Backhand index pointing right cleaner, more precise, preserving the true taste of nature. And right now, we're stepping into the very heart of the entire process, high-temperature blanching technology. Have you ever wondered, if the goal is to keep corn fresh, why apply heat at all? The answer lies in the natural enzymes inside every ear of corn. If left uncontrolled, these enzymes quietly cause discoloration, strip away that delicate sweetness, and gradually turn the texture tough over time. But here, inside this modern blanching chamber, everything changes. The corn is exposed to temperatures above 95 degrees Celsius for an incredibly short time, just a matter of seconds, yet enough to completely deactivate those harmful enzymes. Take a look at this. Clouds of steam rising intensely, the powerful hiss of high pressure, and then each ear of corn emerges with a brilliant, vibrant golden color like never before. It's not just the color that's locked in. The crisp texture and natural sweetness are sealed within every kernel. And here's what makes it even more remarkable. This entire process is completely natural, purely physical, with absolutely no chemical preservatives used. Backhand index pointing right, a brief moment of processing. But the key to preserving that just harvested freshness. Right at this moment, just leaving the steaming hot blanching chamber, those golden corn pieces immediately enter a dramatic thermal reversal. Can you see it? A cold mist rapidly enveloping the entire system, pulling the temperature down to just 0 to 5 degrees Celsius in an instant. And in this very moment, the crispness is locked in, the bright golden color perfectly preserved, leaving no chance for residual heat to alter the quality. And right after that, a true race against time begins. The corn is transferred onto a vibrating screening system. Take a look. Tiny droplets are being blasted off the surface under the force of powerful industrial airflow. Not even the slightest layer of moisture can remain, because if it does, the corn will clump together during freezing. Everything has to be perfectly dry, light, and separated, ready for the critical step ahead. Each piece of corn is carefully aligned in neat, straight rows on the conveyor belt. No overlapping, no crowding. Everything is precisely arranged to create the perfect spacing, allowing the cold air to circulate 360 degrees, reaching into even the smallest corners. And here it is, the true heart of the entire production line, the IQF rapid freezing tunnel. At this moment, the temperature plunges to an extreme minus 40 degrees Celsius. Powerful blasts of icy air surge upward, making each piece of corn seem to dance in midair. This lightning fast freezing steam that transforms all the water inside into ultraviolet crystals. And the result, the cellular structure remains almost perfectly intact, preserving the crisp texture, natural sweetness, and nutrients just like the original state. And the journey comes to a close when the core temperature of the product drops below minus 18 degrees Celsius. Listen closely to this sound, that crisp, crackling, each piece of corn falling freely, completely separated. No clumping at all, lightly coated in a delicate snow-like layer, yet still glowing with that vibrant golden color. as if it were just harvested from the field. Backhand index pointing right IQF baby corn. The pinnacle of technology, where time itself is frozen to preserve the pure taste of nature.